along with the spices. It takes 4 to 5 hours to prepare taco. 4 to 5. When you eat it, it's not flavor, creamy flavor with thickness flavor. Wow. Because most of the people are love the taco. It's a authentic Punjabi taco. It can get everywhere.
So guys, you have heard, in whole Mumbai you will get this kind of dal makhani and kulche and Afghani chaat in only Thane, and it is located in Taj Makhari. And I have tried everything and all were delicious actually. You know, even this lassi they have given me in Kullad, and I like it, the idea, the way they have bring mini Punjab in Maharashtra. You will not get anywhere else. Okay, so do come visit to this place. Kase kulche.
Kulcha.
Kulcha. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Kase Kulcha and it has located in Pachpakhadi, Mahadev Cottage, Dharamveer Anand Dige, and it is in Thane. And I spoke to the owner of the shop, and he told me, whatever he served, they all are very delicious. And I wanted to tell you something. I tried, there the dal makhani, and I haven't tasted dal makhani like this anywhere else. What I can say to you, the mix of flavor, आणि हे सगळं त्यांनी खूप टाकलं होतं ह्याच्यामध्ये. आणि ते स्पायसेस असतात ना, ते असं ना माझं तोंडामध्ये खूप असं खूप चवस्ट होता आणि ते खूप छान होता. आणि ते हे मला माहीत नाही छोले आहे का. आणि when I tried this their Afghani chaat, wow, the creamy flavor, the real cheese was inside, and he served with me onion, green chutney, and that spices cabbage are there. And wow, what could I talk about this lassi? Lot of dry fruits are there, like almond, cashew, and it's very thick. And I loved it, this place. And see, if you are from Punjab, and if you are not from Punjab but you like to eat food like kulcha, chole bhature, Afghani chop, so he will serve you everything. And different kind of kulchas are here, like you will get. And naan lachha thali, then chatpat, and their starters is actually really very good. Like I have tried their starters, and it's the taste of every starters, I think it is something different, I would say. Like chop and tikka, malai chop, masala chop, sorry, achari chop, Afghani chops. Today what started, I am eating, this is Afghani chop. And what could I talk about? Have you seen the crowds? Have you seen the backgrounds? Like the lightings are there, people are just chilling, then here television are there. And when he told me you can go to my kitchen also, and it was very neat and clean. And the shop owner was he was very friendly. He told me each and everything about his shop, like what he serves and what he is going to add in his menu, like palak paneer and some 2-3 items he told me, but I forgot, I could not tell you right now. And it's like family restaurant, but couple can visit here. They can have the yummy kulcha, and it's the best time for a lunch and dinner. And here you will get the safety, no problem. All the staffs are really good, and it is on the road, so there is no any problem. You will get you are coming from very far, so you will get all the transports from his shop, and all experience were it was 10 out of 8, I would say. And if I want to rate about the food is goes. Afghani chaat is 10 out of 8. Actually, I really like it because of the creamy flavor and the kulcha. What can I talk about kulcha? It's 10 out of 9. I liked it. It was really lovely. And if I talk about this lassi, wow, it's cold, and I will say 10 out of 7. And if you like my video, then hit the subscribe button to like, share, and subscribe with your friends who want to eat kulcha, but they haven't find a good place like Kase Kulcha. So do come visit here, and thank you very much to watch my video. Bye guys, till then take care, and bye everyone. I will see you soon.